What's up, guys? It's the SportsCards database, and look at what we got today. 1992-93 Top Stadium Club Basketball. We have 24 packs to open, guys. 15 cards per pack. This is going to be a big opening. We're looking for the Jordans. We're looking for the Shaquille O'Neals. We're looking for the Beam teams. Any one of them, guys. Like if you can get a Beam team, Shaq, Jordan, this set can bring you big money. I got this for extremely cheap. It's not the whole box. It's 24 packs. Normally there's 36 packs in a box. But I think we got a good chance of getting a Beam team here. And I'm really hoping we can hit something big. Any Jordan, any Shaq, they're all good. So let's get right into it, guys. Okay, guys, let's get into it. I'm going to move the box over to the side and we're going to start opening the packs. Alright, guys. First pack. Oh, I've never opened these sorts of packs before and this feels really weird. But let's get right into it. Alright. We've got Fred Roberts. We've got Mark Price. We've got Ken Norman. We've got Winston Garland. Loy Vaught. Antonine Carr. Reggie Williams. And then this is just a promo card or something. We got Chris Gatling. We got Sean Kemp. That's not too bad. We've got Grant Long. Marcus Liberty. Scottie Pippen. That's not too bad. Members' choice. That's not too bad at all. With the new documentary coming up, that could increase in value. So Scottie Pippen, not a bad pull. I'm actually going to sleeve that one up. So that's Scottie Pippen right there. Alright, Cliff Robinson. We got the checklist card. And Stacey King. Okay, so that was the first pack. I wouldn't say that was too bad. I like that Pippen a lot. Looks kind of cool. Alright, next pack, guys. Oh my god, these are really weird to open. Oh my god. Okay. Second pack. It's really annoying how the cards are like over there. Thurl Bailey. Ricky Pierce. Chris Jackson. Robert Parrish. Steve Kerr. It's probably not a bad one with the new Last Dance coming out documentary. I'm going to put that one to the side. We've got BJ Armstrong. AC Green. The promotional card. We got Del Curry. We got Terry Catledge. We've got Bernard King. We've got a Members' Choice, Larry Johnson. That's not too bad. What does Members' Choice mean? If any of you guys know. I'm not too sure, but Larry Johnson isn't a bad pull. Along with Isaiah Thomas. That's pretty nice. Rex Chapman. Donald Hodge. So I'm going to put those ones to the side. Those are the two pretty good ones from that pack. Alright, guys. Third pack. See, oh wow. That always happens when I try to open them. Alright. Third pack, guys. Got a Larry Johnson on the back. Man, these are really weird. Okay. Flip the cards. Alright. Chris Morris. Sherman Douglas. Avery Johnson. Mookie Baylock. Robert Pack. George McLeod. Oh, and we've got a Brian Shaw. Sidney Green. Derek Coleman. That's a member's choice, so it looks like you get one of those every pack. We've got, I'm not even going to say that. Got Ron Harper. Got Del Curry again. Oh, stuck together. We got Terry Catledge, Bernard King, and Larry Johnson member's choice again. So we doubled up a lot in that pack from our previous pack, so it's a bit weird. Fourth pack, guys. I'm probably going to take a break at the 12th pack just to, like, I don't know, like 24 packs. It's kind of a lot in one sitting to do with you guys. So I'll take a break and I'll come back. Yeah. So Kevin Lynch. Drazen Petrovic. It's not bad. Tom Chambers. Rick Fox. Vern Fleming. Greg Anthony. Orlando Wooldridge. And a John Stockton member's choice. Now, guys, if any of you knows what the member's choice is, please leave a comment. But I like John Stockton, so that's not too bad. Got Mike Gamenski, Donna Barros, Gerald Glass, Gary Grant, Randy Brown, Joe Clean, and Charles Jones. So still haven't hit Jordan or Shaq, but we've got a while to go. So let's keep ripping. Okay. It's really weird how they made the packs like that. Will Perdue, Derek Harper, Chris Morris, Sherman Douglas, Avery Johnson. We're getting a lot of the same names here. Mookie Baylock, Robert Pack, members only, Charles Barkley. Okay, there's a Charles Barkley, members only. John Williams, Charles Shackelford. Ooh, lots of cards stuck together. LaSalle Thompson. We got Cedric Chabelos, Henry Hawkins, Danny Manning, and Greg Drilling. Next pack. Okay, Jess Jespin, member's choice, Matumbo, Greg Sutton, oh, card stuck on the back, Rob Anderson, imagine if that was the Jordan or the Shaq, Scott Hastings, Nick Anderson, Jack Haley, AC Green, Magic Johnson, that's not too bad. Jerome Kersey, Ledall Eagles, Gary Payton, Terry Cummings, and Frank Brikowski. So we're moving on to our 7th pack, I believe. So still a while to halfway, but we're going through this pretty nicely. Still no Jordan or Shaq. Sam Bowie, Chris Dudley, Pete Chillett, Ken Norman, Winston Garland, Loy Vaught, Antonine Carr, Tony Smith, Leonel Simmons, Jeff Ruffland, card stuck on the, two cards stuck on the back, Mike Jaminski, Donna Barros, Gerald Glass, Gary Grant, sorry guys, Randy Brown. I feel like I've been saying Gary Payton a lot. Alright, so that is our... This is moving on to our 7th pack, I believe. Oh, they always rip there, and it makes it extremely hard to actually open the pack. Okay, still no Beam Team, still no Jordan, still no Shaq. We'll get there, guys. Alright. Alton Lester. John Starks. Ellen Robertson. Moses Malone. Rumiel Robinson. Paul Graham. Randy White. Del Curry. Terry Catledge. Bernard King. Another Members' Choice, Larry Johnson, guys. That's 3 now. Isaiah Thomas. Charles Oakley. Rex Chapman. And Donald Hodge. Alright. This is our 9th pack, I believe. Alright. Come on, guys. Otis Thorpe. Tyrone Hill. Jeff Malone. Brian Williams. Blair Rumison. Jim Les. Eric Lechner. J.R. Reed. Rick Smits. Don Morale. Probably pronounced that very wrong. Danny Ferry. Benoit Benjamin. Derek McKee. Billy Owens, Members' Choice. Willie Burton. Moving on to the 10th pack, I think, anyway. So, keep going, guys. Jordan and Shaq, where are you? Tyrone Hill, Jeff Malone, Chris Cockney, probably, yeah, that I butchered that. Randy Whitman, Jim Les, Eric Lechner, Spud Webb, Roni Sakali, Todd Lichty. Oh, a lot of these are stuck together. Kurt Rambis, Clyde Drexler, Members' Choice, not bad. Dennis Scott, Mark Eaton, Willie Anderson, and Eddie Johnson. So we're nearing the halfway point in this break. Still no Shaq, still no Jordan. Moving on. Jerome Kersey, Liddell Eccles, Gary Payton, Terry Cummings, Frank Brikowski, Will Purdue, Derek Harper, Isaiah Thomas, Charles Oakley, Rex Chapman, Donald Hodge, Chris Gatlin, Sean Kemp, Grant Long, and Marcus Liberty. Alright, this is the halfway point of our break after this pack. Man, I feel like we've gotten every player apart from Shaq and Jordan, if it's just not me, guys. But I've got a Magic Johnson on the back there. Hopefully something better than a base. Steve Smith, John Conklack, Luck Longley, Steve Kerr, BJ Armstrong, AC Green, Magic Johnson base, Scottie Pippen Members' Choice. Again, guys, I don't know what members' choice is, but Scottie Pippen is hot at the moment, so I think it's better than a base, so I'll put it in a sleeve. Cliff Robinson, Stacey King, Scott Skiles, Vlad Divac, Tate George, and Michael Adams. Alright guys, we're back with the 13th pack. Still haven't hit anything significant apart from the Scottie Pippens and some Steve Kerr rookie cards. So yeah, let's get back onto it. Patrick Ewing, not bad. Stacey Augman, Scott Williams, Mark Randall, Delif Schrempf, John Paxson, Johnny Dawkins, Chris Mullen, John Stockton Members' Choice, Mike Jaminski, Dana Barros, Grand Glass, Gary Grant, Randy Brown, and Joe Klein. Alright, next pack. That one I opened pretty quickly. Alright, Magic Johnson, Chrome Jersey, Rumiel Robinson, Paul Graham, Randy White, Craig Alo, Kevin McHale, Charles Jones, Sidney Green, Derek Coleman, Members' Choice, Tyrone Corbin, Mark Aguirre, Mike I'm not even going to try. Ron Harper. Okay. Moving on. Okay, yep. Okay then. Oh. Reggie Williams, David Benoit, Steve Smith, John Koncak, Luce Longley, Steve Kerr. See, that says rookie card there, so I'm assuming that's a rookie card. So rookie card, Steve Kerr, BJ Armstrong, Felton Spencer, John Williams, Larry Bird Members' Choice. That's nice. I'm a big fan of Larry Bird, so that's a nice card to get. Kendall Gill, Doe Brown, Bimbo Coles, Anthony Bowie, Michael Cage. Not the Michael we're looking for. Okay, this is our 16th pack. So this will be 2/3 of the way finished. No Jordan, no Shaquille O'Neal. Mark Price, Ken Norman, Winston Garland, Loy Voigt, Antonine Carr, Reggie Williams, David Benoit. Man, I've said these names so many times. Jerry Reynolds, David Robinson, Members' Choice, Anthony Bonner, J.R. Reed, Rick Smits, Dan Majale, Danny Ferry. Sorry, guys. Okay. Next pack. Scott Williams, Mark Randall, Detlef Schrempf, Tony Chambers, Rick Fox, Vern Fleming, Buck Williams, Derek Coleman, members choice. Tyrone Corbin, Doug Smith, Eldon Campbell, Terry Porter, AJ English, Sean Elliott, Fat Lever. Okay. The time is ticking to hit one of these cards. Clyde Drexler on the back. Sam Perkins, Brian Oliver, Aslek Kesler, Danny Young, Ronnie Sakali, Todd Lichty, Kurt Rambis, members choice, Clyde Drexler, Greg Anthony, Orlando Wooldridge, Mike Brown, Purvis Ellison, Raphael Addison, Brian Williams, Blair Robinson. This pack feels a little bit heavier. I'm just gonna say that. Maybe Beam Team, if that makes the pack heavier. Mike Brown, Purvis Ellison, Raphael Addison, Brian Williams, Blair Robinson, Kenny Payne, Nagil Knight, John Williams, D. Brown, Bimbo Coles, Anthony Bowie, Michael Cage, Tony Smith, Lionel Simmons, and Chris Mullen. We're running out of time, guys. We are running out of time. Derek Harper, Chris Morris, Sherman Douglas, Avery Johnson, Kevin Willis, Patrick Ewing, that's a Stacey Orgman, Chris Mullen, John Stockton Stadium choice, members choice, Mike Jaminski, Donna Barros, Gerald Glass, Gary Payton, Randy Brown, Joe Klein. We're on to the final 4 packs of this whole break. See how we do. Karl Malone, Michael Jordan, guys. We got a Michael Jordan. I didn't even realize. I was just looking at the backs. I've seen that all of them say rookie card on them. So the Steve Kerr isn't a rookie card, I don't think. But Michael Jordan, guys. We got a Michael Jordan. Thank the Lords for that. So Michael Jordan, 1992-93 Stadium Club. That's not a bad looking card. He's jumping over Patrick Ewing. That's not too shabby at all, guys. It's card number 1 in the set. That's nice. Now let's get a Shaq. Glenn Rice. Sleepy Floyd. Kevin Duckworth. Sam Bowie. Chris Dudley. Benoit Benjamin. Derek McKee. Billy Owens, member choice, Willie Burton, Sam Perkins, Brian Oliver, Alec Kesler, and Danny Young. Alright. Third to last pack now. Raking into it. Okay. Let's see if we can get this Shaq or any Beam Team. Karl Malone. Michael Jordan again, guys. This is nice now. We're picking up the steam. Michael Jordan. 2 Michael Jordans now. That is not too shabby at all. A Shaquille O'Neal will really top off this opening for the price that I got this these packs for. Glenn Rice, Sleepy Floyd, Bill Cartwright, John Battle, Scott Skiles, Vlad Divac, Tate George, Michael Adams, Jerry Reynolds, David Robinson, Members' Choice, Anthony Bonner, and a checklist card. Second last pack. We'll keep going with the final luck. Like, we got 2 Jordans in the last 4 packs, something. So Craig Alo, Kevin McHale, Bill Lambert, Jason Williams, Mark McCon, Rodney Monroe, Kevin Willis, Charles Jones, Sidney Green, Derek Coleman, Tyrone Corbin, Mark Aguirre, Mike Izzolino, probably said that very wrong, not going to try, and Ron Harper. The final pack, guys. Can we get a Shaq? Can we get a 3rd Jordan? Can we, most importantly, get a Beam team? The Beam teams are pretty rare, inserted not that commonly. It might be not even 1 per box. But George McLeod, Brian Shaw, Kevin Lynch, Drazen Petrovic, Tom Chambers, Rick Fox, Vern Fleming, Dennis Scott, Mark Eaton, that's a cool card, Willie Anderson, Eddie Johnson, Brian Scott, Kevin Edwards, Ed Neely, and Judge Buchler. So guys, that was it for the opening, and we'll have a recap at the outro of this video. So guys, that's going to do it for this unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed. These were our 2 good pulls, Michael Jordan. Of course, we did get the 2 Scottie Pippen Members' Choice, which isn't too bad, especially if this documentary, The Last Dance, really makes the Bulls players take off in prices. But comment down below which boxes you'd like to see me open next. If you want more unboxing videos, like the video, make sure to subscribe, and see you guys next video.